Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have this package, appears to be in a box, came to me from Australia. It did not take that long coming from Australia. No, it did not. It is from a company called Paint Plot. Paint Plot, okay? One of those things I came across somewhere, I don't know. So let's get into it and see what it's all about. The box here's a little squished, but not bad. I mean, it did come from Australia, you know. So, come on. I need you out of the bag. All right, there. Conquered the bag. All right, so this is what the box looks. Oh, look, it even says Paint Plot. Paint Plot Diamonds right there. Join the Paint Plot Diamonds community group on Facebook. Share here. Some contents. There we go. I have no idea what I'm really getting here. I don't know if this is poured glue, double-sided adhesive. I do know the image, and that's about it. I can tell you how much it was, though. So here's the interesting part. It was $21. Oh, it's poured glue. Yes. Okay. So it was $21, and the shipping was $4.05. This grand total was $25.05. Poured glue, Australia. It only took, I mean, on their website even, I think it says you can get it in less than like 2 weeks to the US. So it didn't take that long. So I'm excited to see what we have here. Now, okay, if I'm not mistaken, you can order this just like this, or you could get a framed version, and it came with like the stretcher bar type frames you could put together, and you know that of course raised the cost a little, but I didn't want a frame. I thought about getting one with a frame just to show everybody what it would be like, but I chose not to. So here's our toolkit. I think you can see everything in there. Wax, several multi-placers, white boat, and 2 pens. All right, that's what you get in your toolkit. It comes with this, which is kind of nifty. Look at that. That's my image, I believe. I'm not certain what this is, what you do with this. It's a sticker. It is a sticker. Okay, so if you wanted to put that, you know, in a book or something, you could do so. I will, because I am trying to do a logbook this year. All right, so I'm excited by this. It's poured glue. It's got a nice... It's got one of those like almost silky feeling kind of canvases. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm excited so far. This is a decent sized canvas for, you know, $25. Yeah. All right. Let's leave that folded up for a minute. Let's look at our package here. Looks like we have an inventory sheet. Let's get our inventory sheet out. Now here might be the one downfall. People might not like this type of drill packaging. Okay. But, I mean, I don't mind. It's not horrible. Look, I saw these in there. Got a little bundle of baggies. I'll put that over there with the toolkit. We'll look at the drills in a little bit. But this is our, oh, nice little inventory sheet. It's cute. Look at that. Look how cute. Got a little picture over here. It's got your symbols. It's got the DMC numbers, 154, 208, 340. It's been checked. Tells you how many you're going to need. And I'm assuming this is how many bags of each color you'll have. Okay? All right. Little inventory sheet. Easy to run that through a Xyron sticker maker and make labels. If we can read the symbols. Oh, the symbols are kind of small on that. The symbols are really little. They're not really easy to read. I would probably just plop my canvas on my scanner, on my printer, and just do it that way. All right, so here we have it. Let's look at it and see what we have. All right, it is a mountain scene with a sunrise or sunset, and the horizon. I mean, you know, it looks pretty. It does look pretty. Hard to tell exactly what it's going to look like completely until you put drills on it, of course. But let's look at over here. Here's our legend. This is tiny too. Oh my gosh, it's got a little itty bitty legend, you guys. This might be one I would just number 1 through 25 and just roll with it that way. Because those symbols, I don't know, they're hard to see. Even on the canvas, they're little. Ooh, you guys, they're little bitty bitty symbols. This is gonna be tricky. Some of them are better than others, but let me show you what I mean. Okay, look at all of that dark area. Some of these over here are a little easier. The symbols really need to be larger. But, and down here it looks like we have pink ones and yellow ones. Pink squares with a dot and yellow squares with a dot. Okay, well, yeah, symbols are not all that good. And those squares look so tiny on there. I mean, I could be wrong, but they look itty bitty. But yeah, that'll be interesting. All right, well, this is why we do this, right? We check things out. Yep, we check things out and see what we got going on. Let's see, what do you see up here? A, U, or a D, or an O, or N's. They're itty bitty, you guys. Oh goodness, that might be a challenge right there. I think it's pretty, but those symbols. Whew. Like when you look at it like that, you can't even really tell there's symbols on it, right? You can't even tell there's any symbols there. Oh. Okay, well, here's our drills. Of course, this is one we're going to have to like inventory, but it's a whole bunch of 939s. I think this is all 939 right here. And then I'm just going to kind of show you colors. Tan, pink, burgundy, purple, bluish purple, bunch of that. Blue, a bunch of that. I like that they're at least flat, you know, because sometimes if you get the drills like this and they're all balled up or something, it's much harder to tell what you're doing. Pretty yellows, purples. They got pretty colors, All right, well, there's some good things about this, and there's some things that, you know, are a little more challenging, like the symbols, but it's poured glue. It's clearly square drills. How do the drills look? I mean, can't really take them out of the bag right now to show you in a tray or anything, but they don't look too bad. I mean, let's see if we can look at a dark color here. The 939s. Let's see. I mean, I don't see weird sizes. I don't really see tabs. They all seem to be pretty uniform. You'll never know till you actually put them on the canvas how they work, but they don't look bad in the bag. Let's just put it that way, okay? Well, that is what I got from Paint Plot, an Australian company, and I thought, why not? Let's just try it, okay? So we'll give it a go. Might need some magnification help with some of those symbols, but we'll see what happens. All right, that's what I have for you. I'll link it below if you want to check them out. Like I said, they did have an option to get a frame with it. And the frames were kind of, you know, that stretcher bar kind of frame that would fit your painting. So, all right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, come back. I'm trying to find more new things to show you, more options. And I appreciate you hanging out. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.